people are looking for the different means and ways to look for another company. So these are the huge problems that the world is facing right now, where I personally in my own organization never experienced this. Simply because again, I'm able to support you with the new type of organization. No, the old type of leadership, I'll just dictate it into two parts. No, the first part is what we call command and control. Anong ibig sabihin? No, lahat ng information, lahat ng instruction manggagaling sa leader. Di ba? Nakakapagod yun, paulit-ulit. No? Pangalawa is quick fixes, which means kung merong problema, laging may emergency meeting at laging kailangan solusyonan. The new type of leadership that I am really excited and I'm really embracing. No? Nagulat si King na he was told that I have 3 events today and I showed up maybe sanay kasi siya ng ako yung pinaka nauuna dito sa room na ito. No? Yes, I have 3 events today, but can you imagine I'm here with you guys? What is that all about? Being able to do anything and everything all around you simply because maybe as a leader, I have empowered everyone to be number 1, self-managed. Maganda ba yun? Hindi na kailangang utusan, kumukusa lahat. Right? Number 2, self-motivated. What does it mean? Hindi mo kailangan magpamudmud ng incentive para kumilos kasi yung incentive nila galing sa internal. No, in fact, maraming tao nandito on a volunteer basis, no? Palakpakan natin si Ana Nor. Thank you, Ana Nor, for being here. She is, by the way, the chief of staff of Breakthrough, which is maybe the only breakthrough that I will be around. All right? So sa hindi pa nagbe-breakthrough, if you want to experience Russ in the breakthrough, do it this February. Why? 3 po ang facilitator. Coach Max will be there, my mentor coach. The coach who mentored me. Coach Gina, of course, powerful Gina, and of course, I will be there. 3 po kami nandoon. No? So, again, wag na kayo magpatumpik-tumpik. Go ahead, take the breakthrough. And hopefully later on, Ana will be playing the testimonial for breakthrough. Pag breakthrough, go ahead. Wag na magpatumpik-tumpik. Go ahead. Do it. No? So again, Ana Nor is here on a volunteer basis. Sa totoo lang, I'm so touched because she's always been volunteering. Yan sila. Eto si King, no? Walang bayad po yan, pero bakit they work for me like as if they're being paid by the millions, no? In fact, si Ana pupunta pa ng Manila for ilang hours? 4 hours drive, Ana?
Yes po, 3 to 4 hours.
So, 4 hours drive, papunta pa lang yan, pabalik. 8 hours para lang magsilbi sa akin na walang bayad. Maybe because she likes the type of leadership that I have. And that's the leadership that I want you guys to embrace. So, no longer about command and control. No longer about quick fixes, yung laging nagmamadali. Why? Because again, most of the organization is all about taking a look at on seeing the leader as the top. Siya yung laging nasa ibabaw. Which can be very tiring, sa totoo lang, which we don't like. Is this making sense? We want to make sure that the leader is there simply because the leader is willing to empower people so that it will no longer be about them, but it's already about the people who they're serving. So anong itsura niyan? No? So okay lang ba? Uy, may slide si Coach Russ. Palakpakan nyo naman. Okay lang ba? Magpakita ko sa inyo ng itsura ng yung usual na organization na nakakapagod. Klaro? Yung usual na organization na nakakapagod, na ayaw natin, kaya maraming ayaw ng leadership. No? Kahit alam natin sa leadership, pwedeng magkumita, pwedeng mas maganda yung ating income, kaso lang ayaw magpa-promote kasi nga, ito yung nakita natin na conventional. No? So, kwentuhan tayo, King. No? Dito sa current organization or conventional organization, nasaan ang leader? Nasa ilalim, nasa ibabaw?
Nasa ibabaw, Coach.
Okay. Ano ginagawa ng leader? Nag-uutos. Tama ba?
Yes, yes.
Ano ginagawa ng mga tao? Nagre-report. Now, do you see people collaborating, working together?
No.
No. Kanya-kanyang division, kanya-kanyang unit. Walang. Tapos, ang problema nito, nagbabanggaan, nag-aawayan, walang collaboration. Okay. Bakit? Again, that's the old type of leadership, which is all about command and control. which is all about hierarchy, which is all about performance only. The new type of leadership that I want to introduce is the organization is no longer led by one person, but it's led by the entire organization. What does it mean? When we empower everyone, which is when we ask everyone in our team to journey into, please write this, growth mindset, clear heart set, health set, business set, and soul set, which is they are now journeying into a personal mastery, personal leadership, that they don't need to be told, they don't need to be motivated. It's simply because they understand na leadership is self-leadership, self-mastery. So, King, anong na-notice nyo doon sa learning organization? Anong nangyari sa mga tao?
Puro
Wala,
collaboration,
o
coach, kung
nagtutulungan?
saan sila napunta.
Correct. Kasi ang trabaho lang ng leader, sasabihin niya, etong vision ko, eto yung mga issue natin. Ngayon, may mga skills na kayo, may mga knowledge na kayo, may mga experience na kayo, may chat GPT pa kayo, meron pa kayo YouTube University, balikan niyo ako anong solusyon. So if I ask you, King, ilang years ka na sa amin?
Going 3 na, coach.
3. All volunteer, walang sweldo. Tama ba?
Yes. Yes.
O bakit hanggang ngayon nagtatrabaho ka pa rin na parang kabayo?
Hindi na ako magko-compare ng pinanggalingan kong industry, pero dito kasi I'm growing every single day and I am able to bless other people by sharing kung ano rin yung mga natutunan ko.
So klaro ba yun sa lahat? Right? So I'll pause here. Maybe I'll stop. Maybe I'll just ask people, leaders, ano yung nare-realize niyo? Ano yung natututunan niyo dito sa quick lecture ko around the old organization and the new organization, and transcending to it, we need to become a learning organization wherein everyone is learning. No, Ananor, no? You came from a very good career, okay? Leadership, highly awarded, medal, and then you left it and you went with us full-time but not being paid. Why?
Yeah. So, ayun, good evening everyone. And as shared nga ni Coach Ras, nanggaling naman ako sa industry na ang laki ng sweldo, 6 digits monthly basis. Parang may growth naman in terms of the work per se, nakakilala ng tao and all. Pero the management style wherein hindi ko ma-feel yung growth kasi dinidictate lang nung pinaka nasa taas kung ano yung dapat gawin. It's very transactional na parang dictatorship siya that I no longer feel kung paano ko lalago kung hindi ko mapakita yung totoo kong parang personality, kung paano ko gusto mag-grow na possible naman pala kasi na magsasucceed in life at the same time growing yung personal leadership, not being told exactly kung ano lang yung pagpapatakbo based dun sa nakakataas. So I felt the respect, growth, collaboration pagpasok ko sa IM Plus, kaya dun ko na feel na okay, it's not about the money anymore that will make me stay in a company, but where will I feel growing as a person and as a leader. That's it.
Thank you. So which means money is no longer the only thing that will allow people to work. Hopefully, you as a leader, what you will provide, number one, again, personal growth avenue. Especially, we are now dominated with Gen Z and Millennial. You know, I'm here in Cavite, no? I'm visiting a multi-million business owned by a 26-year-old man. They have more than 100 people. Average age 21, 22. And all of them are just so happy working here. Why? Because the company is giving them personal growth. The company is supporting them with clear heart set, which means they allow people to just release anything that's going on. They're also giving people opportunity to be healthy. So they have a gym, they have this and that. Okay. They're giving opportunity to lead. Most of them are taking turns in leading. Ganda, no? And most of them are given, no, as young as 20, 21 are already head of this division, head of that division. Nakakatawa, di ba? But here's the thing, if you look at where I'm at right now, no? They created a meditation room because they understand how important soul set is, connecting to God. So that's what we call wholeness, which is wholeness is we nurture, we guide, we mentor people, making sure that they're whole as a human being. Kasi dati, ang management and leadership is just only focused on trabaho lang. Walang personalan to, trabaho lang. Hindi na uubra yan ngayon. So that's number one. This type of leadership is what we call wholeness, right? Number two, it's all about evolutionary purpose. Ibig sabihin, yung purpose ko sa buhay, my life purpose is aligned to the purpose of the company. So which means kung yung kumpanya mo, hindi clear yung purpose why we are here, hindi natin ma-attract yung mga new generation because the new generation will work because they are out there on purpose, creating meaning. No? I'm happy Princess is here. Hello, Princess. Diba? If you notice, Princess, meron akong mga volunteer na pinapunta ko dyan, malayo pang ng biyahe, wala namang bayad, but they're happy to serve. Tama ba? Kasi yung purpose ng buhay nila aligned doon sa ginagawa ko. Right? So that's the second concept here. So again, evolutionary purpose. Number two is what we call wholeness. But number three is what we call autonomy. Ibig sabihin, no? Bibigyan mo lang sila ng project and you allow them to create the way they know they will create it, just like itong project na ito, no? This is now our second night to be here. I feel it's very successful because based on result, maraming dumating. Pero hindi na ako nag-isip nito, no? Si King na po nag-isip nito. Sabi niya, Coach, meron ako naisip. Itong gawin ko, itong gawin ko. O sige. Pupunta na lang ba ako? O sige. Maganda ba yan? Because we give them autonomy power. However, that cannot happen not unless we become a learning organization. Okay? So ano yung pinaka-importante dito, no? The most important part here is for us to understand how do we now move, what are now the steps on how we can move into that, no? And I'm happy Princess is here kasi ito yung magiging guide natin, no? It has to start with number one. Okay, ano nangyari? Hindi yan ang gusto ko ipakita. Ito. Bakit ayaw? Ayaw. Okay, sandali ha. Ito. So, the first element, if you want this type of organization is number one, kailangan yung leaders around you is supportive of this. Kasi kung hindi supportive yung leaders around you, mapapagod ka. Sakit lang sa ulo. Supportive of what? Number two, culture of continuous improvement, which means we don't focus on the business goal, but what we focus here is continuous development of everyone, specifically systems and process of the business, because the sales, the profit will just follow. But the way this is done is to really have a clearly defined structure of learning, which means it's imperative. Once a week, minimum, you will have to stop working, you will have to learn together, you'll have to grow together, you'll have to hold each other accountable, to support one another, but it has to be based on intuitive knowledge processes. So ito yung steps if we want to move that in, no? So, Princess, okay lang ba i-share ko yung process natin? Tama ba? Okay lang?
Okay po. Okay po, Coach.
So what we did though with Princess, we were there in all of her leadership group. She owns a company who has more than 50 people. She has 10 people leadership under her. And then yesterday we had, an alignment. And they all want this. So therefore, our next step here is to, again, gather the leader to make sure that they're supporting this 100%. Because pag merong isang hindi support, mahirap yan. Tama ba? Okay, so supportive. But pangalawa is now, ang pinaka-objective is to have a continuous learning process as a culture. But pangatlo, it's what? Structured learning. That they agreed to be meeting once a week, every first, second, and third week, fourth week, drop. But it has to be anchored on number 4, intuitive, which means it has to be centered around spirituality or centered around God or whoever you call him, Ama, Yahweh, Cristo. That's the center of it, or universe, whoever you call it. Okay, good. So I'll pause here. Q&A na. Kwentuhan na tayo, no? So anyone would like to share ano yung natutunan mo? At saka ano yung tanong mo sa akin? Yan. Kasi kung walang makipagkwentuhan sa akin, uwi na ako, di ba? May dalawang meeting pang, may dalawang event pang nag-aantay sa akin. Yan. So meron bang gustong mag-share ng learning at the same time gustong matuto in terms of question?
Go ahead, Princess, go ahead.
Coach, question lang po.
Go ahead.
Yung regarding dun sa learnings, no? Kasi, paano ko mag-guide lahat ng leaders ko na talagang i-embrace nila tong training na kakaharapin namin?
Okay.
Paano ko
Good
sila
question.
i-prepare for that?
Sige, good question, no? Again, the first preparation here is number 1, self-awareness. To be very honest, Princess, no? Medyo gagapang tayo sa leaders mo, except doon sa isang 23-year-old mo. Kasi nga, yung generation natin, is not so much into this.
Yes.
So, gapang talaga. So, self-awareness. So, which means, kung gusto mo mas-speed up ang self-awareness, dalahin natin sila ngayon sa Discovery. Just like si Anna Nor, she brought everyone in her team sa Discovery kasi doon talaga mababasag, di ba? Before you came into the Discovery, akala mo negosyo-negosyo lang yun, kikita lang kami doon. Pero nagbago ba ang pananaw mo sa mundo at sa buhay?
Opo.
Oo.
101%.
So basagin. Nice, thank you. No? Babasagin muna yung dating pag-iisip na kailangan kong magbago. Now, I'm not saying it's guarantee, but what I'm saying it's faster, it's better. Okay? Now, pwede bang hindi mag-discovery? Pwede naman. Except, anong klaseng pag-iisip meron sila? Kasi kung yung pag-iisip na meron sila na advanced na, katulad nung EA mo, kahit walang discovery, okay na yon. Kasi nga, kung sa karne pa, no, yung mga edad ko, kahit i-pressure cooker 3 araw, ang hirap palambutin. Kaya yung mga bata-bata pa, kahit walang pressure cooker, konting pakulo, malambot yan, okay tayo dyan. So that's the first step. Self-awareness. Now that they're aware, number 2, I want you to deepen, number 2, your relationship with them. Kasi kahit gaano kaganda ang programa, kahit gaano kaganda yung gagawin natin, pero kung yung relationship natin hindi naman malalim at hindi connected, talagang mananadya yan na magiging pasaway. Did that make sense?
Opo.
So it has to be a clear, okay? And number 3, okay, there must be a buy-in. Anong ibig sabihin? Hindi pwedeng i-implement ko yan na hindi ko sila tinanong. So the buy-in here is, okay, ito yung program natin, are you choosing in, are you choosing out? So pag nag-choose in, suportahan natin. Pag nag-choose out, hayaan natin. Kasi sa totoo lang, yung mga nag-choose out, okay, anong nakita mo sa mga nag-choose in saka nag-choose out? Anong difference?
Yeah. Sa mga nag-choose in kasi talaga, buong buhay nila na bago, not just performance in terms of the parang work o kaya yung responsibilities nila sa career. Pero pati personal life nila gumanda. So ako nung after ko sa, nauna ko kasi is Empowered followed by Discovery. I had 10 people before nung nag-start. After applying lahat ng learnings ko, doon ko nalaman meron palang 4 na humihila doon sa team. So, unexpectedly, I have to release yung 4 na hindi talaga aligned pala and created na yung 6, nag-grow, nag-discovery, created a result na parang 20 katao yung nagpa-perform nung time na yon, gave us the best results ever after sa IM Plus.
So again, yung mag-choose in, aangat, yung mag-choose out, mukhang nandun na lang sila. Walang paghuhusga, pero yun lang talaga gusto nila. Now, hindi rin sila tatagal kasi can you imagine lahat gumagandang buhay? Ako, nasa drama pa rin ako, hindi na ako bagay dito. So, they have to, I think the 80 to 90% chances they will eliminate themselves in the organization. Okay? So, that are the 3 simple steps that we can actually support you with. But however, anong kailangan mag-take place, no? Doon sa gagawin na step na ito, no? Very important lang na ibibigay natin is actually understanding yung how can we now be more effective as a leader, no? The effectivity of a leader will all depend on ano yung knowledge, skills, and experience na meron ka, okay? Specifically, kailangan natin i-match yung requirement ng taong siniserve natin sa ating skills. So what are the skills that are important, no? Ontological coaching. If I ask you, Princess, no? Yesterday when we were with your team, did you notice there was in 1 hour pa lang meron na kagad sudden shift?
Opo,
Inutusan ko ba kayo gawin yon or kusang nangyari?
pusa.
Yan yung ontological coaching, manggagaling from within. Okay? You also need to learn how to be a mentor because why? In the next 3 to 5 years, Princess, hindi na pwedeng wala kang Gen Z sa team mo. And you also need to learn how to facilitate learning, which means, eto ngayong gabi, eto facilitating learning to. And of course, we are now in the digital age. We also have to really adapt with digital platform. Sige. Anong nakuha mo doon sa quick lecture ko, Princess?
Yun nga po, coach, kailangan talaga ayusin ko muna yung yung relationship ko din talaga sa kanila para makita nila din talaga yung value na makukuha nila dito sa training na to. Tsaka kasi talagang kailangan i-embrace na namin to kasi ito na talaga yan eh.
Yeah.
Kailangan
Kasi
namin
anong pilit sa always, lalagpak lang tayo sa totoo lang.
puro drama lang eh. Puro drama lang talaga.
So,
Walang
again,
result.
be prepared, mawalan ng tao, but that's okay because again, in principle, as long as you are the right leader,
Opo.
as long as you are the right leader, you will attract the right people. Sabi nga ni John Maxwell, if the 3, 4, 5 people are leaving, the 7, 8, 9 are coming in. And guys, don't worry. The new generation, oh my God, ang sarap katrabaho. Princess, what if imagine mo, meron kang 10 Paulo Castro doon sa team mo.
Mag-i-staffer na rin ako sa iyo, coach. Kasi kaya na niya. Kaya na
10
nila.
King, 10 Ana. Anong mangyayari sa organization? Time 100 million sales a month. Full-time siya sa IAM Plus, di ba, Ana Nor? Tapos part-time siya sa kanyang kumpanya. Kaloka, no? Kakaloka. So, that's what happened, no? In fact, eto si Robbie. Robbie, on mo yung camera mo. Umaangal na yung boss mo, yung founder, CEO, president, na hindi na sila pinagtatrabaho kasi kayang-kaya nyo na. Totoo ba yun, yung chismis?
Yes, actually, yes po, coach. Actually, ngayon wala siya dito eh. Nagbabakasyon.
Dati, di ba, hirap na hirap, stress na stress, walang bakasyon. So ngayon, nag-expand dahil lahat nagka-awareness. No? But then again, hindi lahat sasama. Tama ba, Robbie? May mawawala. Pero yung
Yes,
papalit, maganda. Tama ba, Robbie?
Yes, coach. Definitely. Talagang makikita mo kung sino yung mga may willingness din na mag-grow at the same time yung mga taong talagang gustong makakuha ng value apart from being transactional. Kasi kami nung start nung nag-discovery kami sa company namin, talagang na-distinguish namin kung sino yung mga gustong sinabi mo kanina parang mag-in at saka yung mga talagang nag-out na talaga completely. So yun po talaga.
So again, yung mga mag-out, alam mo namang sakit ng ulo, bakit mo paikit? No, bit-bit mo sila sa bahay. Bit-bit mo sila kahit saan ka. Hindi, let go na. Masarap katrabaho kung lahat kayo align. Biggest learning from that, Princess? Robbie, thank you.
Ayun nga, Coach, kailangan ko talagang harapin na hindi lahat ng tao pwede ko makip.
Yeah.
Kahit sobrang tagal na kami magkakasama.
Hindi na eh. Alam mo, may driver ako, may chataw ako, no? 13 years kami magkasama. Dahil sa sobrang ka-close na namin, minsan kasi pag nagda-drive na ng medyo gabi na, bihira lang naman, nagdadabog na. Tapos sasabihin ko, parang nahihiya naman ako, di ba? Minsan lang naman yung gabing-gabi. Tapos, dahil sa dami ng lakad ko, gusto kong gumamit na siya ng Google Calendar. Gusto kong gumamit siya ng ayaw. Sabi, hindi na tayo pwedeng magsana ko. 4 ang meeting ko. Tapos ako pa magsasabi sa'yo sa paano pupunta doon. Ayaw kasi gumamit ng Google Calendar. No? Araw-araw lang tatanong anong gagawin. Whereas yung bago kong driver ngayon, my God. Nakita mo naman, umattend pa sa meeting natin kahapon. Bumapalakpak pa. Nakikipray pa. Yung dati, hindi. Nasa labas lang. Nagyoyosi. Tapos pag medyo delayed ang lunch, magalit na. Ako pa yung nahihiya. Alam, is this making sense? Ang
Opo.
sinasabi ko dito, huwag tayong matakot. Yung mga taong ayaw magbago, wala tayong magawa. As long as you are the right leader, ha? And sobrang na-happy naman ako kasi you're very successful and yet you want help, you want support. This is your second night to be here. It speaks a lot about your humility to embrace change, and I appreciate you for that. Palakpakan natin si Princess.
Thank you, Coach.
Who else wanna discuss and have a conversation with me? Yeah, go ahead. Is it Vendi's? Ay. Okay, go ahead.
Desa po. Hi, Coach.
Hi, Desa. Good evening.
Ayun po, actually, Coach, connected siya dun sa last time. Kasi may nabanggit po kayo na informational saka instructional. So, medyo na, para kasing naano ko na parang may thin line between instructional and informational sa pagiging self-manage ng mga tao. Kasi ewan ko kung mayroong tao dito na nakaka-relate na minsan turo ng turo, ayan, tapos hanggang sa nasasanay na sila. Tapos nandun din ikaw sa yung part na parang na ano ka din bitawan sila kasi parang kulang pa yung information na binibigay mo sa kanila. So parang ang pinaka-question ko is paano magta-transition from nasanay sila na informational instructional tapos magta-transfer into
Okay,
transition sa self-manage yung mga tao.
very
Parang,
simple, but also hard to do.
yeah.
Okay?
Opo.
We were all wired up. Claro ha, we were all trained as a little child that we are not capable. Claro?
Yeah.
Kasi lagi sa school pa lang, mag-aantay ka ng instruction sa teacher. Walang kumikilos pag walang instruction.
Yes.
Kaya huwag ka magtaka, pagdating sa workforce, nag-aantay ng instruction. But ang bottom line, underneath around it is the belief system is I am not capable, hindi ko kaya ang gawin. So which means you need to train them to believe that they're capable. Kasi pag capable sila, kahit hindi nila alam ang instruction, hindi lang information, meron ba silang internet? Opo. Marunong ba sila mag-ChatGPT? Opo. Naka-enroll ba sila sa YouTube University? Opo. Lahat ng tanong ng buong mundo, nandyan na. Kaso lang, hindi natin in-empower that they are capable. In fact, sa totoo lang, no, ang pinakaayaw ko marinig, hindi ko po alam, coach. Sabihin ko, okay, bigyan kita ng $10 million. Anong sagot mo? Alamin ko po, coach. Ayan naman pala eh. Klaro ba? That's awareness pa rin. Ito yung sasabi ko kay Princess. Your first key here is basagin natin ang utak nila to move from I'm not capable to I am capable. Clear? Na,
Yes, coach.
yeah, let's take a look at my old driver. Hindi ko kaya yan, ha? Mag-Google Calendar, tuturuan ka. Hindi talaga, ayaw ko tagalawin. Okay. Mas importante pa yung I'm not capable kaysa matuto ng Google Calendar na napakasimple. Are you with me?
Yes, yes,
Right?
coach.
Pangalawa, alright? I am not responsible,
Yes.
which means we were all wired up. Pag may nangyari sa atin, hindi natin kasalanan. Di ba? Naalala mo nung may anak ka ba?
Yes, coach. Meron.
Naalala mo, iwan ka siguro, maliit ka pa, nadapa ka. Pag nadapa ka, binuhat ka na nanay mo, ibig sabihin pag may nangyari sa akin, merong gagawa para sa akin.
Yes,
Tapos nung umiyak ka, dahil nadapa ka, dumaan si Yaya, pinalo ni nanay si Yaya, sabi, bad si Yaya, ay, kasalanan ni Yaya, bakit ako nadapa? So which means, okay, now I can blame anyone and everyone. Why are you late? Traffic. Ilang years ka na sa Manila? 25 years. What is wrong with traffic? And you still blame traffic. Because above all, the reason why they're holding on to this because all their life is I don't matter. So which means you now have to train them to think that they're capable if they choose to. Can you imagine lahat ng teammates mo, kasama mo si Melvin dyan, wala?
Nakikinig po.
Lahat ng tao mo, ang pag-iisip na capable from your janitor, the managers, ano pakiramdam?
Happy, coach. Masaya yun.
Kailangan i-train mo. Claro. Kailangan i-train mo. Lahat ng tao mo responsable, walang drama, walang justification, just do it lang. Ano pakiramdam? And then lastly, I matter, which means lastly I matter, which means importante ako, kaya aambag ako dito. It's still again bringing back. I like you both couple because dinala niyo buong team ninyo, tama ba? Sa Discovery na. Okay? Kulang yun, kailangan siyang i-follow up every week. At least minimum once a week follow up, follow through. Kasi that's part of what you do as a training. Diba? That's why sa totoo lang, no?
Yes.
Ikot din kayo, tama?
Yes, coach.
Nag-iikot. Oo. Sa totoo lang, merong training na ganito. Ang tawag doon is empowered. We have an exclusive empowered training by Gensis, which by invitation pwede kayong sumali. Can you imagine in 4 months, you have 9 days training with me, with Coach Max, with Coach Mads. In 4 months, every week, meron kayong training with me through Zoom na pwedeng sumali lahat ng employee ninyo. But we will also teach you the tools and techniques of how you can become, effective in your e-com business. Mahal ba ito? Oo. Kasi ang matutunan mo, napakasulit. Kami na nag-train ng buong team ninyo. Diba? What if once a week, meron kang coach na katulad ko, nag-uusap tayo, nag-meeting tayo ng ganito one-on-one. Klaro ba yun? And that's a program that is exclusive for e-com. It's called Empowered. Okay? And that will happen February 26, 27, 28. And then after a month, mag-meet na naman 3 days. After a month, mag-meet na 3 days. Up until you actually, yan yung sinasabi ni Ana na program. So again, I'm just talking about it kasi hindi ko naman alam saan kayo pwedeng umattend ng seminar eh. Sinasabi ko lang to kasi ang ganda ng ideas ko. Tama ba guys? Kaso lang, saan ko matutunan yan? Hindi naman siya natutunan lang sa mga meeting-meeting na ganito eh. And that's why I brought this out. But I'm not here to sell it.
Yes, coach.
But if you really want it, let me know. Right? Because again, medyo puno na siya. I hope you got something out of it.
Yes, coach. Check ko po
Pakita
ito.
naman kay Melvin.
Pakita daw. Uy.
Kada kahubad. Okay. Right. Sige. Thank you. Anyone else?
Hello, Coach.
Meron pa ba? Hi, Otep.
Hi, Coach Ross. Question ko lang, ginawa ko siya, meron akong experience kasi before na, gano'n naman ginawa ko, leadership, so inayaan ko sila. Tapos, kasi at the end of the day, may trabaho pa rin na kailangan ko ibigay sa mga workers. And yung naging dulo niya, parang ang tingin nila sa akin, wala akong ginagawa. Parang, kami nagpapakahirap dito, ikaw, wala akong ginagawa. Parang nagkaroon ng ganong incident.
Okay, tatlo
Inisip
lang tanong ko sa
hindi
iyo,
ko makita
Otep.
saan ako nagkamali.
Okay, tatlo tanong ko. Gaano ka, at a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, 1 being lowest, gaano kataas ang training mo sa kanila ng self-awareness, ng empowerment? Did you train them really well to be self-aware and to be empowered at a scale of 1 to 10?
One year.
Oh, wala ka talagang ginawa. Kaya ba't wala ka talagang ginawa? Tama sila. Klaro ba? At a scale of 1 to 10, how did you develop this relationship? 10, grabing relationship, buong buo. 1, wala kaming pakialaman. Anong relationship?
Yung sa relationship naman, medyo mataas naman. Parang
Anong
naging
score?
mga 7.
Okay, good. Pero 1 yung awareness. Kaya, ang paghuhusga kasi wala kang ginawa. Wala ka talagang ginawa. Ang ginawa mo lang naging
Parang
barkada.
minsan, gusto nila may gawin din ako. Maging part din ako ng workforce.
Ang
Putol ko.
Hindi mo ma-start ka pupunta sa kikipagbarili. Gawin yung trabaho, which is it clear?
Naputol kanina
ang
ko.
wala
Naputol,
siya.
Coach. Naputol.
So again, your job here is to train them, to grow them. Kasi sa totoo lang, Otep, no? Yan si King. King, when did you remember me being in our company, in our business? Ni isang beses wala na. Tama ba, King?
Ah,
Wala,
hindi. Okay.
Coach. Bisita lang.
Oh, King, sinusubukan mo ba ako na walang ginagawa?
Hindi, Coach.
Happy ka ba na wala ako sa kumpanya dahil na-empower kayo?
Yes.
Anong natutunan mo doon, Otep?
Yeah. Okay. I guess ko na, Coach. Medyo nag-focus ako nun sa ibang bagay. Hindi ko na kita na I also need to, yun nga, kung hindi ako gagawa, kailangan I need to teach them.
Yeah.
Or meron akong continuous improve. Kasi naging focus ko nun more on sa iba, nakapokus ako sa higher sa akin. Parang kung ano yung kailangan niya, yung sinaserve ko. So yung mga nasa under ko, binibigay ko lang sa kanila yung work. Binibigay ko lang sa kanila yung trabaho. Pero wala akong binibigay sa kanila. They're doing the work for me. Pero I'm not doing something for them. Baka kaya tingin ko ganun yung naging result.
Oh, andito si Mark Abanyo, no, na napaka-proud ako. So, Mark, masasabi ba bang wala akong ginagawa? Kasi wala naman talagang ginagawa sa company natin. Pero nasabi ba madami akong ginawa dahil na-train kita, na-nurture kita, napalaki kita, kaya ngayon, very successful ka.
Yes, coach, no. Dami niyong naitulong sa akin, but nakikita ko sa inyo, coach, na parang ease and flow lang sa inyo. No, kaya nung tinulungan niyo kami, ni-nourish niyo kami, is that self-manage na kami as a person, as an individual.
I hope we learn from that, Otep.
Yes, coach. Salamat. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, last one before we go to we ask Ananor and King to talk about breakthrough. Because it's exciting, really, guys. It's exciting. We only have few more seats available, but we also want all of you to attend breakthrough if you haven't attended yet. Okay? Meron pa bang gusto makipagkwentuhan, magtanong? Yeah, Richard, go ahead.
Hello, Coach Russ. Una, thank you for this opportunity. Ayan. Actually, I'm so amazed with the way you produce ng mga leaders, and I saw the result. So, diretso ako sa tanong. Paano ka ba nagduduplicate kung sino ka sa mga mentors mo? How you duplicate?
Okay, unang-una, hindi ako basta-basta nagme-mentor. Sobrang piling. Kasi hindi lahat ready sa kind of mentorship ko. However, lahat nung na-mentor ko, na-mentor ka ng sobrang level 10 duplication. Kasi, how do I know? Si Mark is... Sinong direct leader mo, Mark?
Coach Leo Ordina.
Okay. Si Mark is 5th generation. But yung success ni Mark is pang level 10 success. Ibig sabihin, I made a good job. So how do I mentor? Very simple. Number 1, awareness. Balik pa rin tayo. Which means create a certain level of awareness in focusing not in the work, Richard, in focusing on number 1, growth mindset. Number 2, clear heart set. Number 3, health set. Then number 4, if it's career set, or business set. But above all, number 4 is part of leadership set, which is as early as young as they are, I teach them leadership already. But the most important part here is number 5, yung soul set, which means we make God as our center of our lives, and that's the type of leadership we have. What did you get from that, Richard?
Amazing, at least yung approach mo is holistic siya, where just you are not just focusing on one aspect sa life, but the whole.
Yeah. Sa totoo lang, kahit hindi ko sila i-mentor sa business, kasi yung business available naman sa YouTube yan sa lahat. Pero yung ibang set, yan yung pwede kong ibigay at kusang may ganap sa kanilang negosyo. Good? Thank you. Let's give Richard the hand. Guys, I need to go. I have 2 events right now. Ananor and King, take over. Love you both. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Coach
Thank
Russ,
you.
for that wonderful session tonight.
Yeah,
So
coach.
sige, without further ado, kanina nabanggit ni Coach Russ, all about breakthrough, no? Our level 2 seminar after discovery. So Ananar will be the what do you call this? Chief of staff ngayong darating na breakthrough. So sige, go ahead, Ananar.
Yeah, hi guys, good evening again. Okay, so saglit lang naman to yung i-share ko. I just really want to let you know kung ano yung naging impact sa akin ng Breakthrough. Breakthrough is my favorite, pinaka-favorite among all the programs ng IM Plus. Okay? They have 4, but Breakthrough is my favorite kasi first 10 minutes pa lang, ROI na ako. As in, especially kanina lahat ng mga nag-mention about leadership. Di ba gusto natin na mag-grow yung leadership natin? That's also the reason why you attended this event, Leadership Masterclass. The question is, sino ba yung pinakamahirap i-lead in the first place? Kapag isa kang leader. Yung tao mo ba? Yung pinakamakulit ba? Pinakamatigas ang ulo? The answer is ourselves, di ba? Ikaw as a leader. So, yun yung tanong, who are you as a leader? Kasi in Breakthrough, literally, i-break kayo, pero i-rebuild uli kayo into the person who you need to be para kayo maging transformational. Kasi kagaya ng question kanina ni Tessa, ni Miss Kay, and yung mga iba pang nag-heart dun sa question dito sa chat, how can I make my team more self-managed? The question, are you a kind of leader na transformational na? Kasi ikaw mismo, mai-inspire sila, parang you're creating impact to your team kasi nakikita nila sa'yo yung success, you're stress-free, or are you the kind of leader na sila mismo parang mapapa-question, susundin ko ba tong leader ko? Kasi problemado siya sa buhay, yung success niya wala pa naman, parang hirap na hirap siya, or kahit na successful ka or you're far ahead than your people, are you living the life na gusto nilang magkaroon din sila? Then why will they follow you if hindi pa? That's what Breakthrough created in us na mga graduates na doon. So dun sa Discovery, that's why Breakthrough is my favorite. After Discovery, na-realize ko, okay, na-heal ko yung inner child ko. Parang pag may mommy daddy issue kayo, ako kasi may father issue ako before, yun yung na-heal ko, okay, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. But what I didn't know na ang biggest kalaban ko pala, the biggest dragon I need to slay is myself. Tayo, isip-isip tayo, parang iniisip natin, sino ba yung sa team ko yung pinakamahirap i-lead? Ito, ang tigas kasi ng ulo, ganito, ganyan. Bakit? Alam ba natin yung pinagdadaanan nila? Are we that kind of leader who's capable of transforming and coaching a person? Kasi tayo wala nang issue sa sarili natin. So if that's the only time na kailangan natin talagang harapin yung sarili nating dragon, that's the hardest, but that's something that you need to overcome para ma-reach nyo yung klase ng leadership who can transform and create the type of employee, staff, or create another leader na gusto nyo. Yung sinasabi nyo kagaya ni Coach Ras na paano ba yan, Coach Ras, maging ganyan na parang is and flow ka, hindi ka pagod, hindi ka questionin ng mga tao mo na parang baka wala kang ginagawa or hindi ka nila nakikita as something pagod, then you have to work in yourself first. Kaya siya Breakthrough. It's not an easy course kasi bibihira yung nakakatapos ng Breakthrough na kompleto yung batch. It's parang kaya dark din yung parang theme nung Breakthrough is all of us have our darkness in us. May mga mahirap tayong harapin na issue sa sarili natin na only if yun yung mariresolve natin, that's the only time we can fully grow, face all our demons, and create that very inspiring and transformational leader na kahit sino pang dumating sa team natin, whether masakit ang ulo niyan o mas successful pa, kaya nating i-lead kasi tayo sobrang okay na. Wala sa ating perfect, guys, and wala sa ating walang kinaharap na parang bags na matindi talaga. If akala nyo, meron na kayong na-let go na maraming bags, maraming mga DJs, naalis nyo na yan nung Breakthrough, nung Discovery, think again. I'm telling you, wala pa yun sa 1/10 ng kakaharapin nyo sa Breakthrough. So, if, nagulat ako kanina nung sinabi ni Coach Ras na na last niya na to, kasi yun, ngayon ko lang nalaman yun. I'm so honored and blessed na I will be leading the staffers for Breakthrough kung saan last na time na nandun si Coach Ras. It's always Coach Ras and Coach Gina. If hindi nyo pa namimit si Coach Gina, kailangan nyo mag-Breakthrough para i-meet din siya. Okay? But also, it's because it's going to be Coach Ras' last Breakthrough. Kasama pa si Coach Max. It's first ever in the history of IM Plus na tatlo sila. We call them the Trinity. The Trinity kasi talagang the best of the best coaches ang magsasama-sama to really create the transformation na kailangan nyo na far more better than Discovery. Discovery, ini-scratch lang namin yung ini-scratch lang ng IM Plus kung ano yung mga problema nyo na pwede nyong i-improve. In Breakthrough, dun kayo literally, we're going to break you and rebuild you. So I hope if hindi pa kayo enrolled, see you guys in Breakthrough. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Ananor. That being said, guys, I already commented, I already chatted the link for our Breakthrough link. Save nyo na lang din. We will post some contents then for Breakthrough sa Growth Buddies. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-join, mag-join ka na. And also sa IM Plus page. With that, thank you so much, guys. Have a blessed Friday night and have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.